Hello guys and welcome to another video. First of all, I want to say Merry Christmas, and today I'm going to be shooting down some empty Gatorade bottles, and I'm making a video about how to make those targets. So today I'm going to be shooting down those targets with the orange pistol from the Zombie Strike line, the green dart tag gun thing. I'm sorry about these names. You can comment down below if you know what the name is, because I'm dumb and I can't remember what the name of these things are if it's not printed on there. So, it says barricade right there on that silver line. So, I know it's the barricade. It's basically the end strike version of the Strife, which takes tiny little clip mags. But I got the rapid strike also, so I'm going to use the 18 dart clip mag as well. So, actually, I should probably set up some more targets. Hold on 1 second. It's a little bit better. Can you see that one? Right behind here? There's two right there. Hold on, let me get some more targets. That's more like it. Okay, let's get shooting. Zombie strike gun first. First shot. Oh, hidden shot. Ah. Okay. Dart tag gun. Barricade next. Strife. My Strife does jam a bit, so it's going to be a little bit. Ah. Oh my god. Time to reset the course. So guys, this time I'm gonna go from the Strife down to the Zombie Strike pistol. So I'm gonna go from the Strife to the barricade to the green dart gun, this thing, and then to the barricade, and then down to the orange pistol. Let's go. Stupid clip bag. Barricade. Green dart gun thing. now the pistol. I'm gonna count the Pepsi bottle as the bonus like target. So I'm gonna go for that. Dang it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing something like this a little bit after Christmas. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Santa hats. I always like the little bauble over here, but leave a recommendation of which Nerf guns I should shoot. My Strife, well, it's really not the Strife. It's my magazines suck because my cousin broke the little spring in the 18 round one, and for some reason this one just sucks. I don't know why, but it is 6 rounds, so it doesn't really matter that much. I really care more about the 18 round mag, but and yeah, so that'll be it for this video. I can't really fly over the target zone right now, but I can kind of show you a little bit more, like all the darts everywhere. Yeah, so anyway guys, I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. See you guys next time.